Don't know, you know. I'm a lady on the first day of the reggae dance hall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the food.
Hey family, welcome to another episode. Today I'm in Lithia, Florida, and I'm doing a tour of Longview family farms. And you would not believe the amazing tropical produce that I found out here. Come along with me, let me show you.
I'm one of the owners. My husband and I and my son runs this farm. It's called Longview Family Farm. We're in Lithia. We own a 32-acre tropical fruit and tree farm. So anything tropical you can find here, as well as a tree to match it. We've had it since 2019. Most of our customers are from the island or from other Asian countries that are very familiar with the tropicals. But we do have new customers are getting used to our fruits and loving it. So everything is grown natural on this farm. We use a lot of cow manure, horse manure, things like that.
Ooh, jackfruits. Okay, so this is the avocado tree. Yeah, I see the avocados on it. Yes. Wow, this is a lot.
Yeah, all the way in the bottom. All over.
Yes.
We cut down the mango. Mango season is over.
Okay.
So we trim them down.
Oh, that's why you trim the mangoes. Okay.
After we pick them, we trim them down.
Okay.
So this is avocado. See it?
Yes.
I show you different type of avocado we got.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
This is they call with the Mexican avocado.
Okay.
That's what it's called. See the fruit?
Yes.
Soya de llanero.
Yes. Yes. How big is the farm? variety of mangoes, guys. How long have you had this farm here?
4 years.
What type of mangoes are
We have
these?
different variety, man. Indian mango, Thai mango, Vietnamese mango,
Jamaican mangoes?
Jamaican. We have all the type. We have Julie. We have
East Indian?
East Indian. We have Madam Francis.
Okay.
This is sugar apple.
Oh,
See that?
yes. One second.
This is the passion fruit.
Oh, passion.
Oh,
Yes.
you should come when it's have a fruit loaded
Yes.
on the bottom.
Wow.
We sell on the tree. See that? On a mango tree.
Oh, you're selling those?
Yes.
Okay. These are all for sale. Yeah. Oh, sugarcane.
Yeah. We have. That's why I plant 5 acre sugarcane.
Really?
See that?
Nice. Wow.
This our land all the way in the back.
All the way over there.
Yeah. You can see the sugarcane over there.
Yeah. Wow.
That's a bamboo. Eatable.
Oh,
We eat them.
yeah?
See that one?
Okay.
Yeah. Look at banana.
Oh,
There's a lot of bananas, a lot of fruit. I have to cut them.
yeah. Wow.
See winter, we put them in the wind out.
Yes.
The plastic tear out, we gotta put a new one out.
Okay, yes.
Set this one down.
Oh, papaya, yeah.
You know what they do?
I was, you said it, I knew it, yes. I knew, yes. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Wow.
We grow in here.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah. We have
Soursop.
no,
This.
that's guava.
Yeah, but this one is soursop.
Yep, it is. That's
Yeah. Wow, you have everything. I love it.
Hopefully we got some.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens. With the guava. Stop all guava. South up. Stop fruit. See it?
Yeah.
They're all over. Everywhere.
Yeah.
This is my testing greenhouse.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, let's see all the guava. I want to make sure they're working.
Yes. Wow.
Yep.
Wow.
So you check food in the front.
This is amazing. Yeah.
Anything tropical tropical you can find here, as well as a tree to match it. We're about to open a cafe, so that will be opening in a few months. So we hope you guys drop by and see us soon. Thank you.
All right, Tweed. Until next time. Ciao.